Eating at restaurants can be a delightful experience, but it often comes with tempting, calorie-laden dishes. Making healthy choices while dining out doesn't have to be a challenge. With some mindful strategies, you can enjoy restaurant meals without compromising your health and nutrition. Check the menu ahead of time. Many restaurants now provide their menus online. Take advantage of this by reviewing the menu before you go. Look for healthier options and plan your order in advance. Start with water. Begin your meal with a glass of water. Not only does this help with hydration, but it can also curb your appetite, preventing you from overindulging. Choose mindfully. Opt for dishes that include lean proteins, such as grilled chicken or fish, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid fried, breaded, or creamy items. Ask for modifications. Don't hesitate to request modifications to your dish. Ask for dressing on the side, substitute fries with a side salad, or choose steamed instead of fried options. Savor mindfully, eat slowly and savor each bite. Put your fork down between bites, and engage in conversation to prevent mindless eating. By making thoughtful choices and being mindful of what you order, you can savor restaurant meals while maintaining your health and nutrition goals. Remember that it's about balance, and occasional indulgence is perfectly fine. Bon appetit!